What is it?
Emilio, come here.
It's M&M's. Hey, this is M&M's.
Can you open up more?
Red and green M&M's. How cool is that?
No, you got more in your stocking. No, M&M's. What's that?
Look, it's a horsey.
I know, right?
He's got them all right.
The horsey,
Yeah.
Mom.
What else? What else you got? Gotta reach in there.
Crayons, Dad.
Nice.
It started out as Dave and then it just trailed. Toothless is on.
Uh-oh, I think your hussy's gonna eat the M&M's. You better watch it.
Uh-oh.
He's looking at him.